So this is take 2 of this video because my dear, darling, wonderful husband called in while I was maybe halfway through the last video, thereby interrupting it, thereby stopping my train of thought. And so it's December 30th, 2013, and I've just finished a workout. And that is what I'm going to talk about for my daily vlog today. I did a 42-minute high aerobic kind of CrossFit type of workout. You know, I feel like anything where you're doing a workout where you're standing on one leg, balancing and doing, you know, muscle isolations, you're really working that CrossFit type of muscle group. So did a 42-minute workout with that, and then a 10-minute cool down, which I think I've said before, it's just awesome when these videos provide cool downs. Sometimes the videos don't, and sometimes videos don't, and I'm feeling like I feel really victorious and strong and happy and exuberant at the end of my workouts, and but I need that cool down in order to bring my heart rate down. And though that's really when I want to grab the camera and be like, this feels so great, everybody move your bodies, get off the couch, get moving every day, move your body, every other day move your body, every third day move your body, move your body, move your body. Feels so good. So that's at least one of 4 days completed for the weekly goals that I set for myself for this coming year. That's awesome. It's been a really interesting day so far. So I'm glad I got that workout in order to get my head shifted, and crazy random people, obnoxious in the neighborhood. Crazy. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to everybody soon. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day.